So you trusted till the midnight, 'cause I was the reason you stay up till 3 and you can't fall asleep, waiting for me to reply. I was more than just someone you walk by, 'cause I was unscripted to this honest and hoping instead of just hoping you feel what I'm feeling inside.